Network architecture. The network architecture defines the overall design of the computer network. There are two types of network architectures. Peer-to-peer network. It is a network of two or more computers that uses the same type of program to share the data. Each computer is considered to have equal responsibilities and acts like a server to the other computers in the network. It works well in small environment. Client-server network. It is a network in which one computer is designated as the server and all the other computers connected on the network are called the clients. The clients can request for the services from the server. The server processes the request and sends back the requested information. This is called the client-server network.